Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a pretty good Zara haul, if I say so myself. Now with Zara, I feel like it's very hit or miss. You know, quality is not consistent, but you know, they have so many different things, so that's why it's fun to shop there. So personally, it's easier for me to shop in store just because I can see the item, I can see if the fit is going to be nice, if the quality is going to be nice. But then in store, they don't have as many things as they do online. So I shop online a lot, and so this past month I've placed so many online orders, and you know, now you have to pay for shipping, which, you know, totally understandable. Like, I feel like we had it good for a really long time. So anyways, my first order, just to give you an idea, was $700, and I only kept one thing. So in this video, I'm only showing you the things that I actually really love, things that I think the quality is worth it, like for the price. You know, it's like on par for the price. Items that I got are perfect for vacation. They're perfect for like really hot sunny days. In the summer, I like to prioritize like natural fabrics. So I really love cotton, I really like linen, because I don't want to be wearing polyester when it's like 100 degrees outside. I'm going on vacation in a couple of weeks, and so I'm so excited to be wearing everything that I got. So when I saw this little set, I was like, I need to have this. Now this has to be my favorite outfit that I bought. Now we'll talk about the pants in a second. When I saw this outfit on a girl on Instagram, I immediately added to cart and I got it. It's a poplin cotton material, so very breathable, comfortable for summer. The top is a really cute, like, sweetheart neckline. It has a really pretty peplum, which I find is really flattering. So easy to wear, you know. I don't even need to be tan really because my legs are covered. So immediately it was an add to cart for me. I'm really obsessed with this set. Obviously the pants are way too big. I'm gonna need to return them. So the top, I got it in a medium and it fits tight. As you can see, you know, I have a bit of a wider rib cage, but you know, this is a tight top. And then the pants are small and they're just way too big. There's also this like thing around, which I would definitely cut. So these are the pants. I mean, they fit, but they really look like pajamas on me right now. So I'm gonna try to get these in an extra small, which is probably gonna be a little tight around the waist, but I mean, there's still like quite a lot of room. So anyways, the pants run big, the top runs small. And then this is the bags. So just very breathable, like really comfortable for summer, even for hot weather. You can totally like dress this up. I mean, this for like a cute, you know, lunch. If I had a white Chanel bag, this would be, you know, even more perfect. But even with this bag, this is also from Zara, but I bought it in the spring. I mean, look at this cute outfit for like vacation. So this dress to me is another 10 out of 10. I feel like this is something I'll be able to keep for many seasons. It really reminds me of a Free People dress, but it was only $69. Not that Free People dresses are like crazy expensive, but this one was more affordable, and the material is the absolute same. And it's just like really pretty when like you move. I don't know. I really like the color. It's like this dusty mauve color. Kind of reminds me of like, what's her name? Is it Margara in Hercules? Like the kind of dress that she would wear if she came to life, you know what I mean? Like that purpley, very like bohemian dress kind of. I don't know. I really like it. I don't have anything like this in my closet. I've worn it once already and I washed it, and the material is still the same. It didn't shrink. I mean, I'm sure that it shrunk like a tiny little bit because it is cotton, but overall I'm like really happy with this dress. And I just feel like this is not a dress that's gonna go out of style. I can see myself on vacation wearing this. Also, like, it's not form-fitting, so you can eat whatever you want and, you know, still feel really comfortable. So, and again with this bag, I mean, this is just like the perfect combination. So yeah, I will be wearing this on vacation. This is really cute. This dress is another 10 out of 10 for me. So I already wore it, I washed it, so that's why it's a little wrinkled. I'm gonna need to steam it. One thing about me, I love a halter because I just feel like it's the most flattering for my shoulders. I just feel like my shoulders look so much better in a halter. And so I really love this dress. The only thing, the halter is slightly like loose. I wish it was slightly tighter. You can't adjust it, so I might end up just cutting it myself and kind of sewing it. So I wore this dress this weekend and I really liked it. I feel like you can totally like dress this up or down because it's a denim, but it's a darker denim. So I don't know, that's why I just really like it. I only wish for this dress, the only way it would be even more perfect is if the like torso part was like made shorter. Like I wish it was more like this. you see. But I'm not gonna get it tailored because obviously getting the hem tailored is really easy, but getting this area tailored is a lot of work. So I'm gonna leave it like that. This dress, I just know I'm gonna get so much wear out of it. I got this in a small. It fits really well. And yeah, the back is definitely like mini, which I love. But now obviously it's gonna look so much better once it's steamed. But honestly, this is a really good piece from Zara. Like it looks, especially with the darker denim, it just looks a little bit more elevated. And the denim as well is like thick. I mean, thick enough, but it's not too rigid. So that's why I think it's really cute that it flares out like that. So I love this one. Now I'm so happy that these tops came back in style because I feel like this is what flatters my body shape so much better. And so now I feel like it's so easy for me to find shirts. But in the last couple of years, like it was so difficult. So I love a Peplum, like I said, and this one even has the halter. It also has this really pretty gold buckle here. And I don't know if you can tell, but the material is like a stretchy knit material, which is really comfortable, and also like it doesn't need to be so dressed up. So right now I'm just wearing some linen pants. So these are from Aritzia. I really love these because they're not too wide, as you can see. I will probably end up cutting the pockets on the inside because I just don't like when you can see the pocket. This is more of a casual look. I could definitely dress up this top with maybe like the Lodge pants from Aritzia would be like a little, it would kind of dress up this look a little bit because it's more of a crepe material. But for like a daytime look, really comfy linen pants. This is still cute, very put together, but it's so easy and comfortable. I would even do like my Chanel bag with this if I want to like dress it up a little more, maybe with the Lodge pants. Again, this bag for like the daytime, this would be such a nice vacation look, you know, going for lunch, going for, I don't know, like an early dinner. I just feel really great in this outfit. Only thing, I don't know how I'm gonna wash this top because the buckle, like you can't take it off. I just end up hand washing the shirt. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm loving this outfit. I really needed some tops and some pants, and this just looks so good. I think this is another 10 out of 10. Just need places to go now. Like, I just need to leave my house a little bit more. We have another top. Now, when I saw this one in store, fell in love with it. I right away, like, I bought it. So I first got the small, and it fit me. It's just like the button right here, I couldn't do it up, and so I ended up getting a medium. But obviously with the medium, again, like here, their halters are just made all the same. Like there's gaping here. We'll be getting this top tailored. I just really like the shape of it. It's really pretty. So this is the back. It's hard to see, but there's like a bow. Funny enough, I'm not like the biggest bow fan, but I feel like this one looks good. Also here, it's like a subtle kind of like pinstripe that looks really pretty. And overall, like this top fits really, really well. I just feel like a Peplum is so much more flattering on me. And finally, like pants actually look good on me, because I felt like before, it just, everything made me look very boxy. But now with, you know, a shirt like this, it looks so much better. I don't know if I would really wear this top with these linen pants. I just feel like maybe the pants are slightly too casual. I mean, I don't think it looks bad. I have these pants from Aritzia. So these are the Lodge pants in the light birch material. But the reason why I bought this shirt is because I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna go so well with these pants. Like, such a good match. This color and this color is not the exact same. If the shirt was this color only, like the whole shirt, I feel like I wouldn't be able to match the top with this. But because of the pinstripes, it kind of adds a little bit of, not texture, it adds a little something, and so I feel like it looks good even if it's not the exact same match. Does that make sense? Obviously these pants in the crepe material is slightly more like dressy, and so it's gonna look really nice with this top. The reason why I'm not like trying it on really, I need to get these pants altered. I just got them way too big for me. Like the legs are just way too wide. It looks like the first pink pants that I showed you. I mean, they're fine. They're just like way too wide. I feel like these pants are like the perfect like width for me. So I'm gonna take these pants in and I'm gonna ask if they can do the same. I like love an all-white outfit, and so because I already have these pants, I feel like this top is really worth it for me. A top like this from Aritzia would be like $100 and something. So I think this outfit is gonna look really nice. I've been loving like all white. And also I got these little bangles. I love getting like a pack of fun bangles from Zara every summer. Okay, now this set, let me know what you think. So I got this because, well, I'll show you two other sets that I got like short sets like this and really love them. So I saw this pink one and I was like, oh my gosh, add to cart. Now usually I don't go for a pink like this with my hair, you know, like my hair has a lot of red. A lot of you seem to think I'm a cool tone, and so I don't know, it's just that when I have my tan, I'm obviously like really warm, you know, like my hair, my eyes, my tan, everything. And so this pink is like highly cool tone. So like I'm gonna wear this set, of course, these shorts when I'm tan. And so does it clash? Let me know what you think. Yeah, I'm not really used to this kind of pink. Anyways, this is like super see-through, so if you weren't planning on wearing it with anything under, it would 100% be see-through. Now I don't know if this is a PJ, that's the thing. I think I saw after that the shorts are actually supposed to be a PJ. Now this is an extra small, like it's quite big, even the sleeves, but I'm wearing it like that. I think it looks cute like that. Tank is from Aritzia, and then the shorts are like, I mean, they are short, but they're the perfect length for me. Like I love my things short, you know. And the shorts are a size small, and they're quite roomy. Like again, this set runs slightly big. Like usually I'm definitely like a small. I'm not an extra small in bottoms. So anyways, I think it's really cute. So the shorts are really short, but when I'm wearing this on top of it, it's totally fine. So yeah, I really like the set. I just feel like the pink is very 2008 for me, like the kind of colors that I used to go for in 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like I just don't know, you know, like I'm not a purpley pink gal anymore. With this bag again, it kind of looks cute, you know, for like a casual day, for like a little beach day. I don't know if you live in like a beach town. I definitely don't live in a beach town. I think this is really cute. It's very different for me, but I'm liking these kind of things now. And so let me know, does this look like a PJ? And what about the pink with my hair? And yeah, from the back it just looks like I'm wearing a shirt, but it's totally fine. I really like this. So I think even if the color is not my favorite color, I mean, it's not my favorite color, but I like when I look at it, I'm like, I love this. I really do. And so I think I'm gonna keep it. Even if it's supposed to be a PJ, I'm still gonna keep it. So this is the set that started my love for little short sets like that. Honestly, before buying this, like something like that was just very like out of the norm for me. Honestly, now looking at it, I much prefer the way the other one fits. Like the shorts are so much shorter and like, I don't know, just more flattering, I guess. Like I said, I have a short torso, so like this is all we got when the shorts are super high-waisted. These shorts are like extremely high-waisted. There's pockets, but this is a linen set, so good quality, you know, very breathable. The other one is cotton, and it was also like way less expensive. The shorts were $40 and the top $40 as well, I think. For this, these were $65 and this $69, I think. So a little bit pricier. It's linen. Anyways, very cute. I wore this before and I felt really great in it. So I love this set. I just, now looking at the other shorts, I definitely think the other shorts are a little more flattering on me, but I think this is a lot more like proper. This is it from the back. I think it definitely shrunk in the wash. I got this in an extra small, the shorts in a small, and yeah, I do think that it shrunk a little bit, but I need to steam it. On me, I think it just looks better when I leave this open. So obviously I love activewear, but for, I don't know, running errands, I usually like to wear like a little tennis skirt and like a matching top. But I think this can also be like really nice for like a casual day running errands instead of my activewear set. But I'm still very like, you know, comfortable. It's super breathable. And so yeah, I'm loving this little outfit. It's simple, easy to wear, and it definitely makes me look a little bit more put together. And of course I had to get the khaki, like the, yeah, khaki set. This is exactly the same as the yellow. It's just this really pretty color. I will say, I feel like this color looks so much better with my hair. Like it looks like it was meant to go together. And also because of the dark color, I feel like I could wear my Chanel bag with this. I would definitely do a black tank top. I think it would look better. Let me know. I feel like I prefer this set before I wash it. I will need to steam the yellow one to see if it kind of comes back to, you know, looking like this. But yeah, I'm still deciding, should I keep this khaki one as well? Should I also keep the pink one? Like, you know, let me know which one you think is best. I just wish the shorts weren't as high-waisted, but really cute, comfy outfit. And also it's linen. It's a style like this is not going to go out of style next summer, and so I really don't mind having the set in a few different colors. Like, it's not going to go out of style. It's not a trend, you know. Yeah, and then this is it from the back. It's cute, it's comfortable. And that's it. So my camera actually died at the end, but let me know if I should keep the khaki set or if I should keep the pink set. I feel like the pink set is not really part of my color season, but at the same time, like, I really like it. Like, I love the fit of it. So let me know what you think. I have to stop checking the website because I feel like every single time I see something else that I really want. And you know, sale season is right around the corner, so I know a lot of things are going to be on sale soon. So if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I post new videos every single week. I also post every single day on TikTok and Instagram. My username is just @Zadori, the same as my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in a new video. You're such a beauty. Look at you.